Raju's friend Krishna visited him to explain about a scheme with good earning potential.
Hi Raju. I came across a fantastic opportunity to make money with minimal time and investment.
Is it? Sounds exciting. Tell me more about it. I want to know everything.
You must buy XYZ company products for 20,000 rupees, and you will get a mobile phone of 10,000 rupees for free. After you enroll 3 more people, you will get a commission of 3,000 rupees per person as you bring more and more people under the scheme.
This is a fantastic way to make money. I don't have to work every day as the agents recruited by me will be working on my behalf, and I will get commission on sales made by them.
Yes, Raju. Therefore, I am visiting you. You may join my team as my agent.
Raju immediately filled up the form and agreed to become a direct selling agent of the Multi-Lvel marketing company. However, sales were dismal and non-existent. He could not accomplish the target set by the company of recruiting 3 more agents, and he lost 20,000 rupees as the products bought by him from the company also could not be sold. He did not get any mobile either.
Do not pay money to unknown companies and enroll in unknown schemes. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.